Ghoda festival. You can see a lot of arts and different artifacts from different states. You can have a look around. Let's come. I'll show you around. The Kala Ghoda Art Festival 2023 will be gracing Mumbai for 9 days. It's happening from 5th February to 13th February. All the art enthusiasts from town, come on, hop in. You can drop in by 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it's absolutely free of cost. Is this after COVID? Is this the first exhibition?
This is the first exhibition at Kala Ghoda post-COVID. This is a much smaller scale, as we can see. Normally it is like huge. You need 2 to 3 days to cover the entire festival.
Hi, so will you introduce yourself?
Yeah, Namaste. My name is Sumeet Patil. So I am the installation artist. The crow is done by me, and this huge gate is done by me. So, in Kala Ghoda is happening accessible Kala Ghoda. We should promote accessibility. We should go with the inclusiveness. So this installation is done by lot of PWDs, you can say special, and transgender and the acid victims comes together, and they have done this entire beautiful gate for the Mumbai festival gate, because that is very important. The cause is very important, and we should promote accessibility in India.
Very nice. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
55 art installations is there.
Okay, but normally whenever I come, it's like huge. Or maybe the display.
Yeah. So we have spaced out for mobility.
Yeah, true.
And this
So
time,
more crowd can
it's-
accommodate.
Yeah, and this time it is little accessible for everyone. Like whoever is coming with wheelchairs or whatever, they can roam around, because usually there is so much crowd. No, that is why.
Inside
Yeah, there is a lot of venues inside. There is a children venue. There is a lot of workshops is going on, like art, craft, pottery, and etc. Like different school has their own installations, like art installations, smaller version of installations, which done by children only.
Does this also have to do with JJ School of Arts?
Yeah, the like JJ, then Rachna, then lot of other colleges also participated in this. Their installation at Cross Maidan.
Okay.
Yeah, so
we need to cover that
yeah,
as well.
yeah.
All right. And anything particular at the Prince of Wales Museum?
There are a lot of urban sketches, designers, workshops, then heritage workshops. Then there is YB Chavan, there is the Marathi drama, the drama plays, cinema is, section is there. Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot
and any
of
special events post in the evenings? Any musical?
yeah, all musical events is held
Cross
at
Maidan.
Cross Maidan. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't
If you like this
care.
video, please show your love, hit subscribe and like. Do share it with your friends. Bye. Take care. Shabba khair. We are signing off. Thank you so much.